Hi there, this is Anne from designerpage.com. In this video, you will learn how to back up your WordPress site in GoDaddy cPanel. Designing and custom editing WordPress site takes a lot of time. Don't risk you losing it. It's always advisable to back up your website regularly. That means saving your website in a secondary location like your computer or laptop. Using the cPanel hosting platform, you can back up the WordPress site using backup option in cPanel. Having logged into GoDaddy account, click Manage under Web Hosting section and again click cPanel Admin. In the cPanel dashboard, click WordPress application under Featured Applications. Next, on WordPress installation page, click My Application tab where we can find all the WordPress sites installed in your hosting account. Select the WordPress site and click the Backup button and type a name for your WordPress site and click Backup. You can see the WordPress site backup is in process. Once it is completed, you can head to Backup page and click the Download button to save a copy of your WordPress site on your computer. If you wish to restore this backup version in the future, you can restore using the copy that has been downloaded onto your computer. With this, we are done with this video tutorial on WordPress backup. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment to my YouTube videos, and do not forget to click the bell icon to get uploaded video updates. Thank you.